Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. In the last video, we have discussed register a user, log in a user, now get logged in user. That means when I try to log in, I'm already logged in. Means I have the details of my authorization token. In the last video, we have seen that we have the token. So how I get retrieve the information about myself. So this token will help you to retrieve my all the details. Let's have a look. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Okay, so here we go with this one. So auth me, so here we have the auth me, and here we have to add the token. Okay, so let's copy this token and go with this one, authorization. Okay, this is our bearer token. Let's add this bear. So this is the way that you have to add. So auth me, authorization bearer. Okay, let's try to send it, and here I'm going to retrieve my details. Okay, ID and everything. Okay, let's dive into the code level. So auth protect me. Okay, so here we go with this one. So get the details of that one. So get me. So here we have the get me, find one with request.user.id. Okay, before we have the protect. Okay, so here we have defining the protect, right? So this is a middleware auth. So let's check this middleware auth. This should be in the middleware auth.js. Okay, so we require the JSON Web Token, async handler, utils, error response, models user. Okay, so async handler protected routes protect. What will you do? It will do request.header authorization. So first we check we have authorization in the headers or not. If it is there, then it should be start with bearer, its value. Okay, and then we are going to split. Okay, set the token from the bearer token in the header. Okay, so if you want to set the token from the cookie or whatever, you can do. Okay, then if the token is not there, okay, if the token is not there, not authorized to access this route. Okay, so here you can see that if I'm not going to put the token, or I'm going to put the wrong token over here. Let's have a look. If I'm going to put the wrong token, let's add one more. What will happen? Not authorized to access this route. Okay, that means token should be validated, right? Okay, so here we go with this one. Let me go with this one and edit the code, bulk edit. So this is the authorization token. We have added the one, just remove it, and now we can send it. Now we will fetch the details, right? So this is the value of the token. Okay, now last you can see that decoded the JWT verify token with process env dot JWT secret. Now we are going to verify that authorization token. If it is there, then with the help of decoded, we have to find it by the decoded ID. It will return you the ID of the user in the MongoDB. Then request.user for that one and moving to the next one. Okay, then after that grant the access to the specific roles. This is the different one. Okay, we don't require it authorization. Okay, so this is for that one, that whatever the authorization token you are sending, then we are going to decode it and return the user. Okay, so this is how we are going to get the this one me. So protect is done. Okay, it is verifying the authorization token and everything, and in the get me here, in the request dot user you will get the ID. So here you can see that in the get me, in the protect, here you can see we are returning request dot user. So in the request dot user we are returning the ID also. Okay, and with the help of request dot user dot ID, we are going to find by ID and return the user successfully. Okay, so this is how we are able to get the user information with the help of the authorization token. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.